Hey guys, welcome back this week. And today we have a special guest on the show, Kevin Milliman. He is from Durabook, and today we're going to ask him some tough questions about his rugged Durabook laptops. Welcome, Kevin. How you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks, Bob.
All right, good. So we had thanks for coming in today, by the way. I want to thank you. And what we're going to talk about a little bit, I'm going to ask you a few questions. And I know some of the questions right on my viewer's mind right now would be Windows 11.
Sure. Windows 11, it's not a huge secret, coming soon. They're looking to release from September to October. So where we plan to follow suit and release, we'll still be supporting Windows 10 as well, within our licensing. So,
oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, that brings us right into the different kind of models we have and the warranty that you offer. Tell me a little bit about the warranty on Durabook, because I know that's going to be an important part of a rugged laptop.
Sure. Durabook, we back our products 100%. Let Durabook take the liability, and with some of our products, like the Z14 fully rugged laptop or the U11 fully rugged tablet, we have added a 3-year accidental warranty for no cost to you or the end user. So what we'll do is, we'll build the quote. It'll say 3-year accidental warranty, and then we take the liability. As well as that, some of our fully rugged and semi-rugged products within our scope of tablets to laptops will have a 3-year manufacturer warranty.
So let me interrupt you there.
Sure.
You said a cool thing. You said accidental warranty. Tell me a little bit. Is that on all your models or on specific models?
So two different applications. One on the 11.6-inch U11 tablet, fully rugged, drops from 6 feet. It's an IP65 certification that we can go into a little bit later if you'd like.
Sure.
And then the fully rugged Z14 laptop. That is IP65, drops from 6 feet, 26 faces. And it has an accidental warranty. So it deploys. Anything wrong with it, like when you buy a vehicle, it comes bumper to bumper. Same situation with the Durabook fully rugged U11 and Z14.
So what you're saying to me, and correct me if I'm wrong, if I drop that laptop and the screen cracks on it, I'm going to send it back to you, and you're going to fix it?
Correct. And there in the warranty guidelines will stipulate exactly how many times, whether it's LCD, how many times, whether it's battery, and then all the other components surrounding, like bumpers or hardware or anything like that, as well as internal.
So you said a little bit about the IP rating, and if you guys remember, I talked about the IP rating on a lot of our different laptops. And if you're really interested in IP rating, don't forget to check our blog out on that particular article. And I'm going to leave that link right down in our description. But I'm going to have Kevin here talk about his IP ratings on his different models. Tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. So we have laptops to tablets from 15.6-inch laptops to 11.6-inch tablets, and have different IP certifications or ratings to them. So you'll have an IP5X, for example, on the 15.6-inch laptop. Can be dropped from 3 feet, has a water-resistant keyboard, not water-resistant on the ports, but the next level up would be the S14, which would be IP54. So it can drop from 4 feet, is water-resistant, as well as the ports closed, all the way up to IP65. IP65, like I said, with the Z14 and U11, can drop from 6 feet. We have tablets drop from 4 feet. And really what comes down to the IP certification is the laboratories that these units are put through certain stress tests. So it could be heat, cold, temperature, high, low, vibration for those crash ratings, specifically to those state and local departments, altitude, and then some even mil standard specs for 810G, 810H, 461, conducive to radiation, and etc. I mean, the list goes on and on.
Wow, that's a lot of information, Kevin. I'm hoping you guys are getting all of this. So, Kevin, I know in our travels and especially in these trying times right now, there's a lot of products that you buy that the lead time is outrageous. I mean, Panasonic's lead time can be, for brand new laptops, can be 8-9 weeks, 10 weeks, something like that. We've got RAM mounts where the lead times can be 12 to 16 weeks. So what I want to know, Kevin, is based on the times that we're in right now, what is the lead times that it would take to get a Durabook from order to the customer's hands?
It's a good question, and a lot of our successes in the last year have come from this type of question because this is asked from all of the users. Many of the questions come in like, you know, your price points is exactly where we need it, if not better. The availability is the only thing. If we can make a move now, then Durabook's the option, and we've really tailored our products around Panasonic. We've really tailored our lead times around those that are having issues deploying quickly, and in-house 3 to 5 days. I mean, if I have a build that I have to modify, which can be done in our in-home locations, sometimes I can ship same day. Just depends how the customer wants the product. If it's going to be customized, we don't offer just one SKU. We have hot SKUs available on the shelf. If they need to upgrade SSD or RAM or barcode scanners or even C1D2 certifications, we can still ship same day. We like to give a 3 to 5 day buffer for shipment, but again, we can overnight product if need be.
Kevin, here's a good question for you on this lead time issue. What would you say is the percentage orders that you get in, and how fast do they ship? So like, say for example, a certain percentage of your orders ship that are special order, worst case scenario. What's that percentage? And then of the orders that you get in every month, what percentage go out within that 3 to 5 day time frame?
I would say 60% of the product that comes in that's been forecasted could ship in 3 to 5 days, because we plan for those products to come in on a monthly basis, which is updated weekly. So by the time we get the pallet, we know exactly where that inventory is being shipped. The other 40% that comes in that may be a project that closes sooner than later, maybe that we hadn't anticipated for, or a department received funding that they're able to pay for right now and submit PO. Worst case scenario, 4 to 6 weeks. But with every order, I can't hesitate enough that PO holds the wild card. So we can definitely push shipment sooner than later.
Okay, fantastic. So Kevin, tell me about where is your units manufactured? How do you build them? What gives you such fast lead times? I'm sure it has something to do with the way you build out and have them manufactured. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so Durabook has been providing state and local departments, certain entities within the military, and all those in between commercial and enterprise for over 20 years. And what's really benefited Durabook is we bring product in from Taiwan, like the hot SKU, so on the shelf, nothing added to it, and we do final assembly here in the States, which essentially we are qualified TAA compliant. Anything that you need to assess that, we can provide internally, and it does very well for us for our lead times.
Nice.
And also sometimes a hard requirement for those that need it within their RFQ process.
Oh, nice. Well, guys, I'm not going to take up any more of Kevin's time. I know he's a busy man. So I'll see you guys next week.
Thanks for coming.